The SDEA is the water and wastewater utility service in Alsace-Moselle. Telemetry enables the remote site management of network structures and facilities. The entire water cycle can be covered, thanks in particular to the technologies which enable us to make use of self-powering devices. Telemetry remote terminal units are used to some extent in wells, pumping and treatment stations and reservoirs. Telemetry remote terminal units enable us to monitor pumping operations, collect water meter balances, transmit alarms, communicate with other sites, and sometimes carry out process controls. We also collect water parameters, pH, conductivity, chlorine levels, etc., which are sent on to our central SCADA system. All these sites are remotely managed, monitored by telemetry RTUs. Level sensors are generally installed in them, directly connected to the SOFREL RTU. If pumping is remote from the reservoir, it will be necessary to communicate between the two sites. Communication between sites, referred to as intersites, is conducted through the SOFREL RTUs. As part of our policy to reduce leaks in order to improve the efficiency of our drinking water networks, we have chosen to deploy district metering in our networks, enabling greater responsiveness by our leak identification teams through daily monitoring of flows and consumption levels by district. Behind us, we have an operator responsible for setting up the data loggers, recording and transmitting information, with a battery life of 8 to 10 years, communicating with our supervision software. These data loggers can be used to monitor and record flows every 15 minutes, particularly nighttime flows, enabling changes in the drinking water network to be tracked over time. I'll be there immediately. Process control at storm sewer level enables management of filling and draining, as well as cleaning of the entire storm sewer. The operation of these combined sewer overflows is monitored using SOFREL LS recording and transmission devices. This data logger is primarily used for its sturdiness and its suitability for locations where there is no electricity supply. The combined sewer overflows instrumented are CSO, which discharge into the natural environment, equipped in accordance with legislation on water and network self-monitoring. We also use data to understand and therefore optimize network operation. The S500 models also allow us to benefit from coordinated management of the entire wastewater treatment network, providing interaction between the wastewater plant, the different pumping stations and the storm sewers in order to optimize network operation. SOFREL RTUs are mainly used to remotely monitor all the electric motors, lifting pumps, recirculation pumps, booster pumps, etc. We're equipped with a SOFREL S550 here. It can be used to receive the different alarms which may occur in the plant. We can say that someone will be on site in under 30 minutes. In the field of drinking water, telemetry and SCADA allow us to conserve resources, particularly through close monitoring of facilities. This allows us to optimize output levels. As for wastewater, continual wastewater treatment will be provided, enabling us to always discharge treated water into the natural environment.